So we're gonna rip the tires off your car.
Okay.
And then we're gonna. Hi, what's up? I'm Matt, and this is also Matt.
I am also Matt, and that is Matt.
Welcome to Matt and Matt.
The show.
The show.
Yes.
I just found $50 literally in my jeans. Fall that hard way. Today we're gonna rip the tires off of a car and push it into a river.
And by that he means we're going to finally do my brakes, because they're bad.
We're gonna make this car stop. Currently it doesn't stop.
So...
And then we're gonna push it into a river. It's similar to a car. It needs juice to run. Whereas my car needs juice to run also. I pour vape juice in my car. You're so beautiful. Thanks, Dad.
I'm gonna give you money if you can actually throw that thing. That thing's heavy as fuck.
Matt, look, I'm the Hulk. Watch me. I can move this to the river.
I'm saying you couldn't move it, but I specifically
I'm gonna pull it in and throw it like the Hulk, and then I'm gonna dive on it and swim away. The Coast Guard can't pull me over. I have a boating license. I'll swim really fast. I actually don't have a boating license. All right, I'm gonna run inside and shit. All right, what's up? Matt Pace, vlogging here. They're gonna fix a car and I'm gonna go to the bathroom. Don't know what to talk about because I don't know how to vlog. Hi, may I use the restroom? Okay. This one? Yes. Thank you. We're gonna head back out into the garage now and see if they've successfully removed the wheels. I think we're doing the front end first, but what do I know? Don't eat fast food more than once a day. It's bad for you. Forgot to fix my zipper.
Yo, are you strong enough?
No, I'm not strong. Great! Okay. Yeah, you know, we do things the sort of right way here, I guess.
The only thing we do right is film and edit it.
Yeah.
Hey, Lennon.
Yeah.
I hate this car. I hate it. He did not. I did not receive the key. This nut's like super happy there. That's where it lives now. Delete this.
When do you want me to delete this? Right now?
Right now.
We did.
Bravo.
We did.
You're so talented. Well, I'll be the stand-in for Steve right now and get everything stuck.
Yeah.
Dude, that doesn't even feel like it went in.
Because it didn't.
I know, I'm retarded. It's a good thing I work out all the time.
I did. You
Show us your muscles.
No. It won't go in. No, it won't come out. Now it's out. Can I contact Mazda and say, what the fuck? How do I message them? I'm not gonna like Mitsubishi, get the fuck out of here. These are people named Mazda. Let's try Mazda Taiwan. Wow. What the fuck?
Somebody translate this.
Taking at least 5 times as long to do anything that it normally should take.
Well, that's what we have editing for.
It's true.
Give it the old, oh, there you go.
The old kick.
Give it the old kick it till it falls off.
It shouldn't be.
Difficult.
Just pull on
Can we
it.
start a frat and make Matt Lennon's frat boy named Torque?
Oh my god.
Oh, he got it. Jesus AIDS.
How many torque do I want?
18.
55 torque. Do you need help?
Mentally or physically?
Yes. Oh yeah, you crashed.
Yeah. That was the day I learned there was not, in fact, Ken block.
First.
Yeah, they can just put it on top of something.
Can't
Just hook it on there.
bend that wire.
Put an iPhone in there.
All right, let's get up on in there.
Nothing.
Dude, I've seen worse. Yeah, this is also way fucking over torqued. We can just wiggle it out.
BB blaster.
Oh, I need that.
Penetrating
That's
oil. Let's break.
I need a brake cleaner.
Are you strong enough?
No. Let's get a close-up shot of what happened here. Can you see that? I need wrenches, actual wrenches. Cars are fun. Word, homie.
Those are for impact wrenches.
No, apparently I'm stronger than an impact wrench. I need a mallet to break it. No, I need a rubber mallet. Well then what kind of garage are you running here? Today at SMC Garage.
Are you tightening it?
Am I?
You got it?
Yeah.
I'd like to think I am. Well, when you take apart a car and you're like, wow, I can't believe like 4 bolts make this whole thing work.
Hey.
Chris.
We're not just replacing these with OEM or like direct replacements. We are upgrading these. That's what it's all about, right? So I got some nice EBC yellow stuff brake pads.
Oh shit, fam. Look at that.
This is how much meat's like supposed to be on these.
Those are nice looking brakes.
That's how much meat was on.
It's fucking sad.
And to go with the new pads, we got some nice slotted rotors.
Sexy. Look in the camera when you talk.
I'm done, right? That's it.
That's it. Put the
That's
wheel
it.
on. We're out.
Sweet.
We're done. What the fuck are you doing over there?
Cleaning out my car a little bit. Really just a hat collection.
Where the fuck does this go?
Give the rotor a nice spin.
That sounds terrible right now.
This call, he said let the beat rot.
Hello, Daddy. So this is the second one after 2 hours. I think I'm actually understanding this now.
PB blaster.
Let's get that.
Penetrating oil.
It's like moving now and just.
Got it. So we got the front ones done. Took it out for a drive. Just to test them. Everything feels really good. Way better than before. Now doing the back ones. This is just like a pin or something. I must consult the video.
Matt Lennon likes to pretend he knows what he's doing.
Oh, I never pretend.
Watching YouTube. Trying to
I
learn.
never pretend I know what I'm doing.
Trying to learn how to Miata. Dear Google, how do Miata? Yo, it's a nice hat. Where'd you get it?
Fuck you, I stole it.
Master mechanic.
That I did not expect it.
Well, you got it off.
You know what it stands for? Motocross.
Really? I believed you.
I could be right.
You probably are. You'll leave that light there so I can actually see what I'm filming.
Okay. That's actually blinding me now.
Much better.
I know what it means now.
What means?
MX-5 I looked up.
What does it mean?
Mazda Experiment Project Number 5. You know what RX stands for?
Rallycross.
These actually aren't bad.
Rotary Experiment Project 7 and Project 8.
There we are. Yeah, you got some meat on there.
Yeah, but they're stock.
Throw them. You don't need it.
Oh, okay. Second of all,
Tell Steve to bring a rubber mallet.
You know what Miata means?
Adorable. Have you considered removing your upper control arm?
yeah, I'm not gonna do that.
Don't do that. I'm dumb. Don't listen to me. I know nothing about cars.
Did I give you a 14 millimeter before?
Yeah. Hey, Chris. Is there a 14 mil wrench over there?
Okay.
Word. Let me zoom in. Let me get a good look at it.
It's actually moving.
It looks like your car's smoking. You should get that checked out.
Caliper, why do you have to be like there?
You want me to message me Mazda again? Nice.
Hey, got it off. Do I need to remove this?
No.
God, why can't this be easier?
Thanks, Mazda.
Thanks, Chrysler.
Yeah, thanks, Chrysler. You want me to hammer the fuck out of it?
Sure.
We're gonna break this car till
Yeah.
it works.
Wow, that's so happy where it is. You know what? I think we should just sell your car.
Yo,
This is the other side.
I have an LSD.
Yeah.
I thought I had an open diff.
Twice, I'm sorry.
harder.
You want to give it a shot?
I don't think I'm
Come on over. Show them. Show.
think I'm accurate.
Show the world how strong you are. Ultima Pro McCree. 6th in the world. Look me up. IDDQ.
Please. One day you're gonna go to sell this car, and someone's gonna be like, "I actually watched your videos, your build videos, and I don't want to buy this anymore because I saw how you did your mechanic stuff with it." Tell everyone about that time you crashed it. I mean, what?
I have it documented.
Matt Lennon can't handle the power of a stock NB Miata.
So, you might be wondering why it abruptly stopped and why I'm wearing different clothes. And the answer to that is I gave up for the day. If you haven't been able to tell already, I take a notoriously long time to do anything new. I'm alone. Where we left off last was I gave up and I couldn't get that rotor off. That one. Although you can tell it's off now. So I bought this. I forgot to film it, but made my life a hell of a lot easier. I'm finishing up this one. I know you guys will be laughing at me for how long this took, but remember, this is all about learning, especially this car for me personally. This car is all about learning on how to wrench on a car. You can't compress the backs like you can the fronts. Can't compress them with the compressor tool, because if you do, you can damage the calipers on like the fronts because of the e-brake. In the back is a little nut. You need a 4mm Allen key, and you basically manually twist the piston back. And then you just got to do it backwards. So basically you tighten it until you can't move the wheel anymore or the hub anymore, and then you back off about 3/4 of a turn, so you can, and then that should be right around where the e-brake will grab, and we're done. Just gotta put the wheels on now, and hopefully it stops. They all work, brakes really well. It's kind of a crap day out right now to really give it a good hard brake, because it's just gonna slide because it's raining. Oh yeah. Maybe one day I'll get new calipers.